Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to prove about this one and this one. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So that is about sin x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. So I will put sin x squared go to the right. So this one that is about cosine x squared. So cosine x squared multiplied by this one, and we have like this. And we know that tan x squared that is about sin x over cosine x. So this one simplify this one. And we know that this is about the formula, and we have number 1. Now let's go to the second one. So I will put this one go on here. Secant of x that is about this one. So we put sin x gone here, cosine x gone here. And this one that is about number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.